Can economic growth and climate action coexist? This question has been the crux of many debates, discussions, and policy formulations. But perhaps the Inflation Reduction Act introduced recently in the United States provides a tantalizing answer to this conundrum. The Inflation Reduction Act is a trailblazing legislation that was introduced with the objective of lowering energy costs, creating job opportunities, and making healthcare more affordable. The provisions of this act are designed to tackle inflation and climate change simultaneously, an approach that has been hailed as innovative and necessary in our modern world. One of the key provisions of the Inflation Reduction Act is the introduction of tax credits for energy-efficient appliances, clean vehicles, rooftop solar panels, and home efficiency improvements. This is designed to incentivize consumers to make environmentally friendly choices that also help them save money. In addition to this, the Act allocates $60 billion in investments to disadvantaged communities, $6 billion for cleaner technologies in industrial facilities, and $27 billion for a clean energy technology accelerator. These allocations aim to address underinvestment in communities and stimulate economic growth in sectors that are crucial for a sustainable future. The Inflation Reduction Act also provides tax credits for lower and middle-income individuals to purchase clean vehicles and invests in clean versions of heavy-duty vehicles. This provision not only promotes cleaner modes of transport, but also makes them accessible to a wider section of the population. From the perspective of environmental impact, the Inflation Reduction Act represents the largest climate investment in American history, dedicating over $300 billion towards combating climate change. This funding is aimed at accelerating the transition from fossil fuels to clean energy in several key ways. The bill extends tax credits for wind, solar, nuclear power, carbon capture, and electric vehicles, thereby incentivizing utilities, businesses, and consumers to invest in clean energy by lowering costs. This could potentially lead to a rapid scale-up of renewable energy production and adoption of electric vehicles. Rebates are provided to households for installing energy-efficient appliances, insulation, and heat pumps, which directly lowers costs for families while reducing home energy consumption. The Inflation Reduction Act also allocates $60 billion in grants and tax credits to support domestic manufacturing of solar panels, wind turbines, batteries, and critical minerals processing. This enhances energy security and creates jobs, thereby boosting the economy. In summary, the Inflation Reduction Act presents a comprehensive strategy to tackle climate change while stimulating economic growth. By incentivizing clean energy adoption, investing in disadvantaged communities, and supporting the domestic manufacturing of clean technology, the Act provides a blueprint for how nations can address the dual challenges of economic growth and climate change. This landmark legislation is a testament to the fact that economic growth and climate action can indeed coexist, providing a path forward for a sustainable future.